our uncompromising quest for Biafran's independence. We face constant confusion, uncertainty, doubt, contradictions, and even betrayal within the Biafra liberation and restoration movement.
Fellow viewers, welcome back to our channel. I am thrilled to have you join us today for an exciting new update. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest news updates. And don't forget to give this video a big thumb up if you enjoy what you see. It really helps us out, and we genuinely appreciate your support. Thanks again for joining us.
It is crucial for us to clarify once and for all the true purpose of the war we are fighting for Biafra. This war will only conclude when we secure our rightful claims. Firstly, identifying as Igbo. Africa is a continent of immense historical, cultural, and religious intricacies. The Igbo identity and the land of Biafra, inseparable from it, form a significant part of this diverse mosaic. We, the Igbo people, have carefully considered and are acutely aware that our unhindered progress as a community can only occur on our ancestral land. This can only be achieved when we as a people are granted the privilege of enjoying our full rights to live as an independent nation. Our aspirations as a nation revolve around living our dreams, upholding our traditions, practicing our faith, preserving our culture, and pursuing our goals within our own territory. We yearn for complete freedom, devoid of any colonial claims or ambitions, whether they originate from the African continent itself, the Fulani people, or the greedy Western countries. These external forces have prioritized their own financial gain and exploitation of our abundant mineral resources, while neglecting the freedom and well-being of our people. We, as Christian and Jewish believers in Igbo Biafra, yearn for the ability to live and practice our spiritual heritage with complete and absolute freedom. Our unique connection to biblical wisdom, the sacred history of our ancestors, and the book of the books should not be obstructed by the religious dominance of others, particularly the ongoing Islamization within the British colonial empire known as Nigeria. Being Igbo inherently means respecting our neighbors, regardless of their religious beliefs, and embracing the values of tolerance and justice that we have inherited from our prophets and forefathers, extending these principles to all human beings. Furthermore, being Igbo to us means firmly anchoring ourselves to our ancestral memories, our Hebrew roots, and our faith. We are willing to make any sacrifices necessary to defend and preserve them. This is why we can no longer tolerate the invasion of our land by the Fulani people and the disrespect shown to us by the British construct called Nigeria, which undermines our sensibilities. The world became aware of our existence at the same time as our suffering. The genocide inflicted upon the Biafra from 1967 to 1970, orchestrated by the British government in collaboration with the terrorist government of Nigeria, exposed our pain, turmoil, and sorrow for all to witness. Yet, the global community has remained silent in the face of these egregious injustice imposed upon us. It seems that either Britain's involvement or our racial identity as blacks has caused the world to turn a blind eye to our plight. No person who values justice can ever forget or disregard these horrifying images of our children suffering from hunger, or the sight of our dehumanized people systematically starved and massacred by an enemy whose true intentions are evident in their actions, seeking to annihilate us. Yet this is exactly what the entire world has done to us, remaining silent in the face of our impending extinction. It is a shameful display. Numerous other massacres, persecutions, and lies propagated by our enemies have persisted since then. Yet the world chooses to stay silent. The world continues to avert its gaze as if the deaths of our children were merely a sorrowful anecdote that they are incapable of addressing. We, the Igbo BIAFRA'S, have reached the resolute conclusion that our right to life and freedom is non-negotiable. As the sons and daughters of Biafra land, we have firmly decided to never surrender in our pursuit of an independent state of Biafra. United as Igbo Christians and Jewish worshippers, we proclaim today that nothing will make us retreat or weaken our fight. It is Biafra or nothing at all.